Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll explain the automated overdue invoice recovery and escalation workflow in n8n. This workflow checks overdue invoices from Google Sheets, uses GPT-4o-mini to generate recovery emails, sends reminders to clients, updates invoice status, escalates serious overdue cases, and logs everything back into the recovery sheet. Step 1. Daily Invoice Check. The workflow starts with the Daily Invoice Check trigger. This node runs the automation on a fixed schedule, so overdue invoices can be reviewed automatically without manual follow-up. Step 2. Read Overdue Invoices. This Google Sheets node reads invoice records from the sheet. It pulls invoice details like invoice number, client name, amount, due date, days overdue, level, email, and escalation status. Step 3. Any overdue invoices? This if node checks whether there are any overdue invoices in the sheet. If overdue invoices are found, the workflow continues to the AI recovery path. If none are found, it moves to the no invoice alert path. Step 4. Slack alert. No invoices if there are no overdue invoices. This Slack node sends a message to the team. It confirms that there are currently no invoices requiring recovery action. Step 5. AI Recovery Agent. This is the main recovery agent. It takes the overdue invoice details and generates a professional payment reminder for the client. The message is personalized using invoice number, client name, amount due, days overdue, and escalation level. Step 6. OpenAI GPT-4o-mini model. This model powers the AI recovery agent. It helps generate the recovery email content in a polite, professional, and context-aware tone. Step 7. Parse AI response. This code node parses the AI-generated response. It extracts the subject, email body, summary, payment plan, and escalation action so the next nodes can use them cleanly. Step 8. Slack error alert. If the AI recovery process fails or returns unusable output, this Slack node sends an error alert. This helps the team know that the automation needs manual review. Step 9. Send recovery email to client. This Gmail node sends the recovery email to the client. The email includes the overdue invoice reminder, invoice details, amount due, and a clear request for payment or response. Step 10. Needs escalation. This if node checks whether the invoice needs escalation. It looks at the escalation action or overdue level and decides whether the team should be alerted for stronger follow-up. Step 11. Update Google Sheet. This Google Sheets node updates the invoice row after the recovery email is sent. It marks the invoice as contacted and records the latest recovery action. Step 12. Send escalation alert to team if escalation is needed. This Gmail node sends an alert to the internal team. It informs them that the invoice requires attention beyond the normal client reminder. Step 13. Log to recovery sheet. The final Google Sheets node logs the recovery activity. It stores the email status, escalation status, AI summary, payment plan, and final recovery action for tracking. That's the complete automated overdue invoice recovery and escalation workflow. It checks overdue invoices, creates AI-powered recovery emails, sends client reminders, updates Google Sheets, escalates high-risk invoices, and logs the full recovery history. I'm Rahul Joshi. See you in the next one.